Do you want to improve your shoulder mobility and decrease shoulder pain? Well, then you want to give these exercises a try. Starting off, we're going to be doing a banded joint mobilization for the shoulder joint. Now what you want to do is tie a heavy band up to a high post where you're going to grab on the inside of the band. You want your arm all the way abducted to the side, and then you're going to pronate and supinate your wrist in order to move around that ball and socket joint. Perform around 6 to 8 repetitions per side. Our next exercise is a TRX protraction and elevation row. Starting off, you'll have your heels on the ground where you'll grab onto a TRX cable suspension system. You'll start off in a neutral grip position where you'll then rotate your palms face down or pronate the grip and drive your hips down and back where you'll have your shoulder blades travel up and forwards. This is a great exercise for shoulder blade mobility as well as getting a nice stretch out of the lats. Once you hold that bottom position for a few seconds, drive your hips up and then finish with a TRX row. Perform around 6 to 8 repetitions per set. Thank you all for watching and take care.